To add a Presto card to Apple Wallet in Canada, start by making sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS and that you have the latest version of the Presto app installed from the App Store. Next, open the Presto app and sign in to your Presto account. If you do not have a Presto account, you will need to create one by following the in-app prompts. Once you are signed in, tap on the card icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select the card you want to add to Apple Wallet. Tap the three dots next to your card number. Then select Add to Apple Wallet. You may be prompted to sign in to your Apple ID if you are not already signed in. Review the terms and conditions. Then tap Agree to add your Presto card to Apple Wallet. Your Presto card will now be added to the Wallet app on your iPhone. To view your card, open the Wallet app and you should see your Presto card listed. You can use your Presto card in Apple Wallet to pay for transit fares in participating cities across Canada, including Toronto and Ottawa. To use your Presto card in Apple Wallet, simply hold your iPhone near the Presto reader when boarding public transit. You will not need to open the Wallet app or unlock your iPhone. Your Presto card will be automatically selected and the fare will be deducted from your account. It is also important to note that you will need to have a valid Presto card with a positive balance to use it in Apple Wallet. If your card balance is low, you can add funds to your card using the Presto app or at a participating transit agency. By following these steps, you can easily add your Presto card to Apple Wallet and start using it for convenient and contactless transit payments across Canada.